Yeah, we're going on a nature walk again, backfield.
I don't want any snakes trying to eat me.
No snakes will eat you, man. If they do, I'll step on them, squash them, like, they're like. Yo, are you okay, Kaya?
Yeah.
Wave, hi. Wave to the camera. Wave. Wave to the camera, lady. Wave. Okay, look, there's our destination. There's a checkpoint. We're just gonna go up that hill. Yeah, you can hold my hand. You don't have to hold my hand.
Why I'm up here? No. Why? There's little tiny snakes. Yeah, see them?
Oh, so, but if you're holding my hand, it's not gonna save you. It's not gonna bite your head. Nothing to bite your head up. Okay, we're at the checkpoint. Hop down and go up the hill. Let's go up the hill. Daddy can't carry you all the way. You guys gotta get some exercise tonight. Yeah, this is good for your legs. You feel it in your legs, makes your legs tired. It's very good for your legs. It's called upper thigh exercise. You know what this part of your body's called, Elijah? Look at my legs. Right here. It's called upper thigh. Upper thigh is what you work when you go up the hills. Well, down there, it leads to the backyard behind our house if you go far, but we can take the long way and go along the path. This is the very first path at the end of this set of units. Don't worry about anybody. It's a bird cage. It's a bird cage. It's a bird cage. It is a bird cage. There's nothing in there. It's just for show. Come. This way. Somebody's got something ready to go. Come on. No, 3-8. You got to read from left to right. Yeah. Because look, what is this one? 3-7. And then it goes down. 3-6. And then it goes 3-5. Yeah, you got to read from left to right. You can't go right to left just because you're coming from that direction. You have to read always from left to right. 3-4. There's the highest Reicha for you. 33 Scottish Rite. And there's 32. Yeah, and then there's 31. Yeah. And then there's what? What comes down? We're going backwards right now from the numbers. So after downwards from 31 is 30. You have Mikey? You still have Mikey? Yeah, he's safe in there. There's 29. Yeah. It's a dog. Everything. Shh, listen. That's a dog barking outside. 28. 27. Yeah, 2, 7. And then this one is comprised of 4 units. So this one is 4, all in 1, all in 2. See? There's 26. Yep. There's 26, 25. No, there's 4. There's one on the wall too. Look. 26, 25, 24, 23. Pardon me? No, there's 4 there. There's one enough that you can't see. It's adjacent to the other one. Yeah. Oh, hallelujah. Real? Hey, don't run, man. You got your Crocs on. Remember what I told you about that? How good your balance? No, try it. Just do it. See how good your balance is at 4-year-old. Okay? No, pay attention to this, not over there. No, but Elijah can pay attention. Look though. Yep. Always take it slow. I walk the line. I walk the line. Elijah, he walks the line. Joaquin Phoenix. É João Caixinha. Okay, go, Elijah. You almost done?
Yeah.
Okay, go slow, please.
I know how to go down these stairs.
All right, be careful.
It's too far. I don't.
Okay, but I don't like you doing that anyway, jumping up on that wall
Down.
specifically. You jump.
Down the stairs. Now how do you go downstairs? No, didn't you know how I went down the stairs?
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. I was gonna say I didn't.
Okay, slow down, though. Remember? Hey, hey, hey. See? Crocs. Crocmobile. Yeah. Do you know why it came off?
Why?
Because in the essence of everything, less is them saying. Tragic in them saying. Ha, 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 ha. Don't be going in their window. You have fun at the park. Eddie. Ha. Be careful. Come on. Are you staying here or are you coming? Okay. Yeah, be careful, be careful.